Guys, alam niyo kung anong kinakatakot ko? Not accidents, kundi yung wala kang proof kapag may masamang nangyari. That's why I installed this. This is the 70My Dashcam A200. So my first impression, ang compact niya. Hindi siya bulky tingnan sa windshield. No unnecessary stuff, straight to the point. Packaging looks clean na. Hindi siya cheap tingnan. I like opening new tech. There's something satisfying about this. First thing I'm noticing, hindi siya intimidating. Some dashcams looks complicated agad. Ito, hindi. Isang set na talaga at kompleto. Wires look long enough to route properly. Complete din lahat ng cables. Don't worry, may kasama na din siyang USB car adapter. Nice! Rear cam included. So this means full coverage. Not just what's in front, pati sa likod. Uy, this is actually slick. Here's the front cam. Solid yung build ah. Hindi siya yung parang madaling masira. Minimal lang din siya, which I want. So let's install and tingnan ko paano siya magpe-perform sa road. Installation was actually easier than I expected. I just stacking it here sa edge para hindi siya nakalaylay. I don't want wires hanging down. That's distracting and unsafe. Since may rear cam tayo, kailangan natin i-route hanggang likod. Again, tack lang along the edge para malinis tingnan. Take your time here. Clean wiring make a big difference. So yun mga paps, bali na ilagay na pala natin yung cable dito sa likod, yung ating rear camera. So mahaba pa siya pero okay lang yan. Maganda na yung mahaba kaysa sa bitin mga paps. So maglalagay na tayo ng camera dito sa likod ngayon. So yun mga paps, ito yung maraming cable natin. Ayan, bali tatago natin siya dito syempre para malinis tingnan. Bali napakahaba ng cable pero mas ayos na yan kaysa sa maikli. Kaya solid talaga dito sa 70My. Ang haba ng cable nila, hindi ka na magdadagdag pa ng cable. So yan, ang poproblemahin nyo na lang ay magtago ng labis, hindi yung magdadagdag ka pa. So dito ko siya ilalagay, pupunta dito sa tulo, taas dito yan sa camera. Alright, so yung mga paps, ito nga pala yung rear camera natin. Ayan, so tatanggalin natin tong plastic tsaka itong two-sided tape. Yun, satisfying. Bam. Alright, kabit na natin. Ganun lang kadali mga paps. At yan naman ay na-adjust mga paps. Ayan, ayan o, i-rotate mo lang siyang ganyan. So ngayon, i-connecta na natin siya dito sa ating nice na wire. I-connecta natin siya dito, pero tatanggalin natin to para malinis tingnan. Nalinyahan nyo, ayan yung magkabilang dulo, didikit na natin. Sarap. Front and rear cam records in 1080p Full HD. And honestly, for daily driving, that's exactly what you need. This is running on an f2.0 aperture lens, so mas okay siya in low light situation, especially night driving. And may 2-inch LED screen siya, so you can review clips agad dito without needing your phone. Simple controls, hindi ka malilito. No complicated layout. Very user-friendly, hindi mo kailangan basahin ang manual every time. Yung lens niya naka-center nicely. It doesn't look cheap. Overall, the design feels practical. It's low-key but solid, and honestly, that's exactly what you want in a dashcam. Hindi din siya yung mukhang gadget sa sobrang obvious sa windshield. So mga paps, bali kakabit na nga pala natin tong 70My na dashcam. Ayan. So syempre unang-una tatanggalin natin tong double-sided tape. Napakadali niyang i-install mga paps. Tapos ito yung pinakagitna niya, ito yung camera niya. So mag-adjust tayo dito ng konti. So tibay, ang ganda ng double-sided tape niyan, tibay oh. Kita dikit agad. So pag gusto niyo siyang i-adjust mga paps, ito lang naman eh. Yan oh, rotate nyo lang to. Galaw-galawin nyo lang. So ayan, okay na yung sa akin. So ngayon naman, ayusin natin to. Lalagyan natin siya ng itong mga cable niya. So lagyan natin. Yan. Ito naman yung sa ano niya, sa harap. So ikabit na natin. Yun. Ganun lang kasimple. Tapos may SD card na din to mga paps. Nilagyan na din natin. So ganun lang kadali mga paps i-install yan. This is the actual day footage of our 70My Dashcam A200. Sobrang tirik ng araw ngayon, but the footage doesn't look washed out. That's because of HDR. Kita nyo plates, street signs, even small details, clear. It balances the light and shadows really well. So even pag sobrang liwanag sa labas, hindi overexposed. That's important, especially if you ever need evidence. Alright, this is night footage. And honestly, this is where dashcam usually struggle. But check this out, even with low light, malinaw pa rin. This is still recording in 1080p And the HDR really helps here. And pansin ko din, pag nag-enter ako sa darker area, usually nagiging grainy yung ibang dashcam. But here, you can still clearly see the lane markings. Vehicles ahead are visible. Details are still usable. And let's be real, most minor accident happen sa likod. For night driving, this is solid. Plus, it has 24-hour parking surveillance. Even when the car is off, it can still monitor. And may low voltage protection. So, safe na safe siya sa battery. Clear details, controlled highlights, hindi overexposed. And most importantly, usable evidence. Day and night, you're covered. You can access everything through the app, download clips, adjust settings, no hassle. Honestly guys, this is not just for a content. This is peace of mind. If you drive daily, especially sa city, this is something I'd recommend. Drive smarter, drive safer. This is a 70Mi A200 dashcam, your everyday road companion. Peace out.